Look up on a clear night and you're gazing at just a tiny fraction of the universe. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions, each holding secrets and wonders beyond imagination. Today, we're going to embark on a journey across the cosmos, exploring galaxies and unraveling the mysteries of the universe. To truly understand the universe, we must first grasp its unimaginable scale. The Milky Way alone stretches over 100,000 light-years across, containing more than 100 billion stars. But that's just a speck in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. The nearest galaxy to ours, Andromeda, is over 2.5 million light-years away. And beyond that, there are countless others, each vast and unique. Imagine traveling at the speed of light, the fastest speed in the universe. Even then, it would take you thousands, even millions of years to reach our galactic neighbors. The universe is so expansive that it's almost impossible to comprehend. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes, each telling a different story of cosmic evolution. The most familiar to us is the spiral galaxy, like our Milky Way. Spirals are beautiful, with their winding arms full of stars, dust, and gas. They often contain younger stars and are vibrant with star-forming regions. Elliptical galaxies, however, are more like cosmic elders. They are made up of older stars and have little gas or dust, indicating that they've stopped forming new stars. These galaxies can range from nearly spherical to elongated shapes, and they often exist at the centers of galaxy clusters, holding a vast number of stars. Then there are the irregular galaxies, chaotic and undefined. They don't fit into the neat categories of spirals or ellipticals. These galaxies might have been distorted by gravitational interactions or collisions with other galaxies. Galactic collisions are some of the most spectacular events in the universe. When galaxies collide, it's not like two solid objects crashing into each other. Instead, it's a graceful yet powerful dance where stars and planets mostly pass by each other, but the gas and dust interact, triggering bursts of star formation and sometimes creating entirely new galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with Andromeda. In about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will merge to form a new galaxy, already nicknamed Milkomeda. But don't worry, the space between stars is so vast that the chances of individual stars colliding are extremely low. Galaxies are not just made up of stars, gas, and dust. There's an unseen force at play: dark matter. This mysterious substance makes up about 27% of the universe's total mass and energy. Though invisible, its presence is known through its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters, holding them together like an unseen cosmic glue. But even more perplexing is dark energy, which accounts for about 68% of the universe. Dark energy is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe, pushing galaxies apart at an ever-increasing speed. Despite its name, we know very little about dark energy. It's one of the greatest mysteries in cosmology.
galaxies, similarly, evolve over billions of years. They grow by merging with other galaxies, accreting gas, and forming new stars, and sometimes they fade away, losing their gas and becoming dormant. The universe is a vast, ever-changing frontier full of wonders we've only just begun to understand. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we find more questions than answers, reminding us of the infinite possibilities that await us. The journey to understand the universe is a never-ending adventure, one that continues to inspire, amaze, and humble us all.